Hi, I'm Dr. Siegel with Natural Transplants. Here I am with Soleil, and she is here for 12 days post-op suture removal, and her suture line came out incredible. Her hair has already started growing above and below the suture line, and I just completed taking the sutures out. How comfortable was taking them out? Any pain?
No pain at all.
And overall, how have the 12 days been?
Wonderful.
And so no pain taking the sutures out. As you can see, you can't even see where the suture line was, other than the fact of the shaved area. Overall, Soleil, I'm looking forward to amazing results. We're still going ahead and waiting for the scabs in the front to come off, which they will. But in the meantime, Soleil's doing a great job, and we look forward to seeing the results. And probably next time I see you, I won't even be able to find the suture line.
Hopefully. The point key is to follow the instructions step by step, and they will be just fine.
I agree.
And you are a beautiful and wonderful doctor. I recommend you. You have in your hands. So call.
Well, thank you so much. And like Soleil says, if you have any questions regarding hair transplants, please reach out to us at Natural Transplants and we'll answer any of the questions that you have. Again, Soleil, it's only been 12 days, but I'm looking forward to the 4 months, 9 months, and the year follow-up.
And me too. So excited.
Well, again, let me just show them that whole entire area. We are gonna get amazing results. An incredible amount of hair was moved 12 days ago, and let's see the hair grow.
Call.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.